So I first heard about this program in one of my religion classes. It's really just incredible. I mean, anybody who wants to go on one of these programs should really consider that these study abroad programs, this experiential learning, it's far and away the best way to learn.
It is so worth it to come out and to experience these actual spots where the restoration of the gospel took place.
Well, as far as like fun experiences that we do out here, we spend a lot of time together, and it's really quite incredible how close you can get to people and the things you're able to share, and just the relationships that you build with the people is wonderful and is tons of fun.
This experience has been phenomenal. For me, I recently returned home from a mission, and it's been refreshing to focus on the gospel this much again. It's helped me focus again on my Savior and really taught me a ton.
As I'm on this travel study, I can see, as important as our history is, it is important only because it is preparation for what will come.
I've come to realize that I came on the study abroad to learn about the restoration of the church, but it's turned out that I've learned more about the restoring church, that we're part of the restoration now, that the restoration is still taking place, that the foundation that Joseph Smith and Hiram Smith and all of these wonderful people put in place is happening right now with us, and we get to be a part of that.
I think that experiential or inspired learning really happens when you have a personal experience while learning, whether inside or outside of the classroom. And this trip really helps you get that sort of experience. Some of these places hold a special power and a certain spirit about them. And here, where it's a church history travel study, you feel comfortable being able to pray and get your own answers. And that's really inspired learning.
We headed out to Sharon, Vermont, to the birthplace of Joseph Smith. As you walked around, you could just feel a stillness and a peace about the area. It was a place where I truly came to know that Joseph Smith was a prophet of God. One of the best parts about it was I wanted to share that with my family. I remember grabbing my cell phone and calling my mom, my dad, my brother, and sharing that experience with them, because I know that Joseph Smith is a prophet of God and that he truly was sent to come down to this earth, and that he was born in Sharon, Vermont, with a purpose to restore this gospel.
I came on this church history travel study because I went to teach my future family about all these places. Nauvoo is my favorite place, especially the temple, just being up around, because I feel like this whole trip culminates in being at the temple and the ordinances that are there. The whole restoration points towards the temple.
Since I'm a convert, I'd never been to any of these places before. This program in particular has helped me connect and feel inspired by learning about the real struggles and the real blessings that were experienced by real people in these places. And that inspiration honestly has made all of the difference to my education here at BYU.
Being on this trip is really my dream. I've always wanted to come and see the church history sites, but I didn't think that I would ever get the opportunity. I was able to go to the Sacred Grove and kneel down and pray and ask God really if everything was true. I got my confirmation and it was amazing and incredible, and basically this trip has exceeded my expectations. I just hope that I will be able to continue to feel the Spirit every day and continue that throughout my whole life.